హాయ్ హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఏపీ గ్రామ్ వార్డ్ సచివాలయానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి బాట్ బి డిజిటలైజేషన్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి టాపిక్స్లో మనం ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఇంతకుముందు 2 వీడియోస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సంబంధించినటువంటిది. ఇది పార్ట్ 3 ఫ్రెండ్స్, కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అనేటివి. సో ఈ వీడియో మీరు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూడండి. ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు బిట్స్ ఆన్సర్తో పాటు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. ఎండ్ వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూడండి. ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి గంట సింబల్ మోషన్ ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ వీడియోలు మీరు పొందగలుగుతారు. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, what is the wavelength of super high frequency especially used in radars and satellite communications? So answer వచ్చేసి మనకి 1 friends, 1 meter to 10 centimeters. Second bit, which among the following is an application of high frequency? So answer is D friends, మనకి Fascimal. Third bit, wave format is basically a locus point of acquiring similar dash. Answer is A, phase. Fourth bit, in which kind of a waveform is the wave of phase velocity defined? Answer is sinusoidal. Answer A, sinusoidal. Fifth bit, which among the following is or not present in free space? So fifth bit ki answer vachestali comment friends, all of the above. So solid bodies, ionized particles, interface of normal radiation and radio wave propagation. Sixth bit, power density is basically termed as dash, power unit area. So answer is C friends, radiated. Seventh bit, if the path difference of two waves with single source traveling by different paths at the same point is lambda by 2, what should be the phase difference between them? Answer is beta x lambda by 2. So answer is A friends. Eighth bit, which ionization layer exists during daytime and usually vanishes at night due to recommendation date? So answer is A friends, D region. Ninth bit, what is the possible range of height for the occurrence of sporadic E region, normal E region? So answer is C friends, 90 km to 130 km. 10th bit, F2 layer of Appleton region acts as significant reflecting medium for dash radio waves. Answer is C, high. 11th bit, the knowledge of which parameter is sufficient for delivering the time of varying electromagnetic field? So answer is current density. Answer is C friends, current density. 12th bit, according to Webster's dictionary, what is an antenna? So answer is D friends, metallic device for radiating for or receiving radio waves. 13th bit, under which condition of a charged dose the radiation occurs through wire antenna? Answer is C friends, for a charge oscillating in time motion. 14th bit, in non-isotropic directional antenna, which radiating lobe axis makes an WRT major beam of an antenna? Answer is backbone. C friends, answer is back lobe. 15th bit, at which angles does the front to back ratio specify an antenna gain? Answer is A friends, 0 degrees and 180 degrees. 16th bit, which among the following defines the angular distance between 2 points of major lobe, especially when the radiation drops to 0? Answer is B friends, first null beam with width F and BW. 17th bit, if an observation point is closely located to the source, then the field is terminated. Answer is A friends, induced. 18th bit, which waveform plays a crucial role in determining the radiation pattern of dipole or wire antennas? Answer is A friends, current. 19th bit, how are the infinitesimal dipoles represented in terms of antenna length and wavelength? So answer is A, 1 less than or equal to lambda by 50. 20th bit, in flared transmission line The radiation phenomena increases due to dash. Answer A, increases. 21st bit. Which pattern is generated due to plotting of square of amplitude of an electronics? Answer C, power pattern. 22nd bit. In an electrically small loops, the over length of the loop is dash 1/10 of a wavelength. Answer A, friends, less than. 23rd bit. On which factors does does the radiation field of a small loop depend? Answer is B, area. 24th bit. From the radiation point of view, small loops are dash radiators. Answer A, poor. 25th bit. According to the directivity of small loop, which value of theta contributes maximum value of radiation intensity U max? Answer is B, friends, 90 degrees. 26th bit. In which kind of array configuration the element locations must deviate on monopolar surface like an aircraft or missile? Answer is C, friends, conformal. 27th bit. What is the nature of radiation pattern of an isotropic antenna? Answer A, spherical. 28th bit. In broadside array, all the elements in array should have similar dash along with similar amplitude excitation for maximum radiation. Answer is A, phase. 29th bit. Which among the following is regarded as a condition of an ordinary field? Answer alpha equal to plus or minus beta d. 30th bit. Which mode of propagation is adopted in HF antennas? Answer ionospheric. Answer is ionospheric. A, B. Answer is A. 31st bit. For which bands is the space wave propagation suitable over 30 MHz? Answer is D, all of the above. VHF, SHF, UHF. 32nd bit. If the tower antenna is not grounded, which method of excitation is applied? Answer A, series. 33rd bit. In ungrounded antennas, if an excitation is applied directly across the bases, on which factors would the voltage across the insulator depend? Answer both A and B. So power delivered to antenna, power factor of impedance. 34th bit. Which among the following exhibits perpendicular nature in TEM wave? Answer D, all of the above. Electric field, magnetic field, direction of propagation. 35th bit. Which equations are regarded as wave equations in frequency domain for? Answer is C, Helmholtz. Answer is C, Helmholtz. 36th bit. If the magnetic field component of a phase of a plane wave in a losses dielectric is 10 power 6t minus 6x AZM A by M, what will be the wave velocity? Answer A, 1.047 into 10 power 6 meter per second. 37th bit. In an electrical circuit, which nature of impedance causes the current and voltages in phases? Answer is B, friends, resistive. 38th bit. Which type of ground wave travels over earth surface and acquiring direction through air from transmitting to receiving antennas? Answer space wave. Option A. Option B, space wave. 39th bit. After which phenomena do the waves arrive at the receiving antenna? Ionospheric propagation. Answer is A, reflection or scattering. 40th bit. By which name or S is an ionospheric propagation also known as? Answer C, skywave propagation. 41 bit. According to Snell's law in optics, if a ray travels from dense media to rarer, would be its direction with respect to the normal. Answer is B, A way. 42nd bit. Which mechanisms is are likely to occur in mind frequency operation corresponding ionospheric region? Answer C, partial reflection and refraction. 43rd bit. Which among the following plays as a primary role in generation of conduction ionospheric due to presence of electric field? Answer is B, motion of electrons. 44th bit. Which type of wire antennas are also known as dipoles? Answer A, linear. 45th bit. Which antennas are renowned as a patch antennas especially adapted for space applications? Answer B, microstrip. 46th bit. Which conversion mechanism is performed by parabolic reflector antenna? Answer B, spherical to plane wave. 47th bit. Which antenna radiating regions has or have independent nature of angular distribution over the distance from the antenna? Answer is C, Fraunhofer region. 48th bit. Steradian is a measurement unit of dash. Answer D, solid angle. 49th bit. According to the geometry, how many steradians are present in a full sphere? Answer 4 pi. 15th bit. The vector magnetic potential shows the inverse relation with its dash. Answer distance of point from source, or answer is B. 51 bit. In retarded potential, what the factor of time delay is generally introduced in dash equations? Answer C, R by C. 52 bit. In the solutions of inhomogeneous vector potential wave equation with, if the source is at the origin and the points are removed from the source, z equal to 0. Answer B, outward. 53rd bit. If a half wave dipole operates at 300 mHz with lambda equal to 0.5 meters and d naught equal to 1.64, what is effective area? Answer A, 0.032 m square. 54th bit. Dipole antenna is asymmetrical in nature, where the two ends are at equal poles respected to dash point. Answer is C, midpoint. 55th bit. Which term is regarded as an inductive field? Is it predictable from Biot stable, considered to be of prime importance at near field or the distance close to current? Answer B, 1 by r square. 56th bit. What is the nature of current distribution over small dipoles? Answer C, triangles. 57th bit. For receiving a particular frequency signal, which tuning component must loop to perform a resonant circuit for tuning to the frequency? Answer is A, capacitor. 57th bit. Answer is A, capacitor. 58th bit. If the radius of loops is lambda by 20 in a free space medium, what will be the radiation acted on a small circular loop? Answer is C, 123.17 ohms. 59th bit. What is the far field position of an electric short dipole? Answer along z-axis. Answer C, along z-axis. 60th bit. What would happen if the run value of induced EMF in loop acquires an angular? Answer A, Answer B. Wave incident normal to plane of the loop with no induced voltage. 61st bit. If a linear uniform array consists of 9 isotropic elements separated by lambda by 4, what is the directivity of a broadside array in dB? dB means bandwidth. dB means bandwidth. Answer 6.53 dB. Answer A 6.53 dB. 62nd bit. If the elements of binomial array are separated by lambda by 4, how many shapes passed generated with no minor lobes? Answer C 8. 63rd bit. What kind of beamwidth is or produced by Chebyshev's array for given side SLL? Answer is B. Narrowest. 64th bit. If the length of elements of an array is greater than lambda by 2, which will be the opposite of an array? Answer C. Reflective region. 65th bit. Which angle of rhombic antenna represents one half of include angle of 2y? Answer B. Tilt angle. 66th bit. Which among the following is not a disadvantage of rhombic antenna? Answer C. Maximum radiated power along main axis. 67th bit. Why are Beveridge antenna not used as a transmitting antenna? Answer C. Both A and B. So low radiation resistance, low radiation efficiency. 68th bit. Which kind of polarization is provided by helical antennas? Answer C. Circular. 69th bit. According to depth of penetration, what is the percentage of propagation of attenuation with respect to its original value? Answer C. 37%. 70th bit. Linear polarization can be obtained only if the wave consists of dash. Answer both Ex and Ey and out of phase. Answer D. 71th bit. When an electromagnetic wave travels from transmitter to receiver, which of the propagation level? Answer D. All of the above. Curvature of earth, roughness of earth, magnetic field of earth. 72nd bit. For avoiding ground losses, better is the surface conductivity, less is the dash. Answer attenuation. Answer A. Attenuation. 73rd bit. On which factors of earth does the magnetic of tilt angle depends on a surface? Answer A and B. So permittivity, conductivity. 74th bit. What is the direction of varying orientation of polarized surface wave in the wave tilt mechanism? Answer B. Vertical. Answer B. Vertical. 75th bit. Which layer has the atmospheric conditions exactly opposite to that of standard atmosphere? Answer C. Inversion layer. 76th bit. If the maximum electron density for F layer in ionosphere is 4 into 10 power 6 electrons, what will be the critical frequency of EM wave for F layer? Answer C. 18 MHz. 77th bit. According to secant law, which frequency is greater than the critical frequency of secant theta? Answer A. MUF. 78th bit. How is the effect of selectivity fading reduced? A. By higher carrier reception, by lower carrier reception, by single sided hand system, by double sided hand system. Answer A and C. So option A and C is correct. 79th bit. In lens antenna, what kind of wave energy is transformed into plane waves? Answer B. Divergent. 80th bit. What is the functioning role of antenna in receiving mode? Answer C. Sensor. 81th bit. In radio communication link, what is the shape or nature of waves generated by antenna? Answer A. Spherical. 82 bit. Which among the following elucidate the generation of electromagnetic wave? Answer A. Option A and B, Ampere's law and Faraday's law. 83rd bit. If antenna draws 12 amperes current and radiates 4 kilowatts, then what will be its radius resistance? Answer B. 27.77 ohm. 84th bit. Under which conditions of two unit vectors the polarization loss factor PLF unity? Answer B. Perfectly aligned. 85th bit. Which properties of antenna is are likely to be evidenced in accordance to theorem? Answer all of this above. Equality of impedance, equality of directional patterns, equality of effective lengths. 86th bit. Self impedance of an antenna is basically dash. Answer A. Its input impedance during the removal of all other antennas. 88th bit. The concept of magnetic vector potential finds its major application in derivation of magnetic field intensity, especially for dash. Answer C. Complex fields. 89th bit. A dipole carries RMS current of about 300 amperes across the radiation resistance would be the power radiated by an antenna. C. 180 kilowatts. 19th bit. What is are the major applications of an infantile dipole that contribute our analysis? Answer C. Both A and B. Field pattern estimation due to any length of antenna, improvement in radiation resistance by increasing dipole length. 91th bit. What is are the advantages of using ferrite loops? Answer A and B. Increase in magnetic field intensity, increasing radiation resistance. 92nd bit. In an electrically large loop, an overall length of the loop is equal to? Answer lambda. Option B lambda. 93rd bit. How do the elements of an acting region behave? Answer C. Resistive. 94th bit. How many times in an input impedance of a folded dipole at resonance graduates that of an isolated dipole with same length as one of its side? Answer 4. C. 95th bit. Which of the mode radiation occurs in helical antenna due to the smaller dimensions as compared to a wavelength? Answer A. Normal. 96th bit. A rectangular horn antenna operating at 4 GHz. GHz means gigahertz has the wavelength of 0.075 m, about 13 dBA. What will be its required capture and area? Answer is A. 0.0149 meters. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో ఇన్వరకు మీరు క్లారిటీగా చూసినట్లయితే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది కమ్యూనికేషన్ సంబంధించిన పార్ట్ వీడియో. ఈ వీడియో యొక్క మీ రిమైనింగ్ ఇది థర్డ్ వీడియో ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇది నాది రిమైనింగ్ 2 వీడియోస్ లింక్స్ అనేది ఈ వీడియో కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలాగే పక్కన వాటి గంట సింబల్ మోగించండి. ఈ వీడియో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. సో అలాగే కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్ చేయండి, పక్కన లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.